We're in the Parks and Trees greenhouse. The greenhouse was kind of a plan that we put together. It was a collaborative effort with a lot of different departments in the city. It was something that a lot of us have dreamed about for a long time, and we wanted to focus on growing some of our own trees from native seed stock that we grow or that we find here right in the city or just outside the city, so that we're growing the best quality tree that we can plant within the city.
The seed collection process kind of begins before there's even seeds on the trees. So depending on the species, sometime around this time of year, we start scouting for potential viable collections. So we're looking for trees with really good genetic structure, the really pretty ones that are doing really well in the city or around the city, and then we're watching for them to flower. And then depending on the amount of flowers that they have on them, that'll give us a good idea of whether or not we're going to have a good seed crop that year.
So collecting seed locally, we know we're going to have the best quality trees growing, and they're going to thrive in the environmental changes that we see because they've been adaptive, and that's the conditions they've been growing in.
I think I would love to see us get to a point where a good portion of our tree planting program is fed by this greenhouse, especially, like I said, those species that we know grow well in New Brunswick anyway. We've got lots of seed source already, so I would love to see the majority of that program being fed right here on site, grown here on site, and then planted out in our city.
This is a part of our Food Forest initiative. So that project includes planting edible fruit trees and perennials that can be edible or serve as a herb or spice or a medicinal use. And we're putting those in, our big spot right now will be Wilmot Park, but we're also putting them along trail sides on the north and south side in areas that a lot of people will have high traffic and areas where a lot of communities come together. Ideally, if you're taking a walk with your family and they're kind of hungry, there's an apple on a tree or there's some mulberries to take from. And honestly, something that's important to me, it's like, there's a homeless population rising and some people are down on their luck, and a simple apple or two might get you through the day.
I hope they come in and see a lot of the pride in some of the Parks and Trees staff and what they're doing to help our climate and help our urban forest here in the city.